Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to cover exercise 1.3 question number 5, 6 and 7. Let us start with question number 5. First let us note down what is given in the question, that is temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. We have 12 noon at 12 noon is 10 degrees Celsius above 0. So we have plus 10 degree Celsius. We can write 12 noon as 12 p.m. The temperature was 10 degree Celsius. Now if temperature decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, temperature decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Now question number 1, that is at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? We have question number 1, at what time temperature would be 8 degrees Celsius below 0, that is 8 degrees Celsius below 0, that is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So let us start this question, that is at 12 noon, that is 12 pm, temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. So initially we have 10 degrees Celsius temperature, then temperature decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Decreases, so we will take negative sign. If temperature increases, then we will take plus sign. Here it is decreases, so we will take minus sign, and for 1 hour it decreases 2 degrees Celsius. So suppose we take x hour, we will get x into minus 2 degrees Celsius per hour. So we have to find what time the temperature would be minus 8 degrees Celsius. So let's suppose that in x hour it is dropped minus 2. Initially it was 10, it is dropping by minus 2 per hour. In x hour it has dropped to minus 8 degree Celsius. So let us find the x, that is 10 plus into minus is minus, and 2 into x is 2x, that is equals to minus 8. Send 2x on right hand side and minus 8 on left hand side. We get minus 8 into plus 8, and we will get minus 2x. On other side it is 2x. Now solve for x, that is 2x equals to 10 plus 8, that is equals to 18. We get x equals to 9. We got x equals to 9, that is after 9 hours the temperature will be minus 8. So at 12 pm the temperature was 10 degrees Celsius. So 12 pm plus 9 hours, we will get temperature as minus 8 degrees Celsius, that is 12 pm and 9 hours, that is 9 pm. The temperature will be minus 8 degree Celsius. So the answer is 9 p.m. Now part 2 of this question, that is, what would be the temperature at midnight? Temperature at midnight, that is 12 a.m. So we have 12 p.m. temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, and we have to find the temperature at 12 a.m. What will be temperature? We have the difference of 12 hours. So in 1 hour the temperature decreases by 2 degrees Celsius, that is minus 2 degrees Celsius. In 12 hour temperature decreases by how many Celsius? That is 12 into minus 2 degrees Celsius, that is equals to, plus into minus is minus, 12 into 2 is 24. So in 12 hours temperature drops by minus 24 degrees Celsius. So we have temperature at 12 p.m. is 10 degrees Celsius, and at 12 a.m. it will be 10 minus 24 degrees Celsius, that is equals to minus 14 degree Celsius. So we have minus 14 degrees Celsius as answer. Now question number 6. What is given in the question, that is, in a class test plus 3 marks are given for correct answer. Correct answer plus 3 mark, then we have incorrect answer minus 2 marks. Then we are given part 1, that is for Radhika. Radhika scores 20 mark. Radhika scored 20 mark, and correct answer are 12 correct answer, and we have to find the incorrect answer. So we will suppose x for what we have to find out. We have to find the number of incorrect answer. So let's suppose Radhika answered x incorrect answers. Now for every correct answer, correct plus incorrect, that is equals to total score. She answers 12 correct questions, and for each correct answer marks are plus 3, and she answers x incorrect questions, and for each incorrect questions marks are minus 2, and she scores 12 marks. Sorry, she scores 20 marks. So 12 into 3, that is 36. We have plus into minus, plus into minus is minus, minus 2x, that is equals to 20. We have plus into minus is minus, 36 minus 2x, that is equals to 20. Send 2x on right hand side, 20 on left hand side. We will get 36 minus 20 equals to 2x. Solve for x, that is 2x equals to 16, that is x equals to 16 divided by 2, that is equals to 8. So Radhika answered 8. Incorrect. Now part 2 of this question, that is Mohini scores minus 5. Mohini scores minus 5 and she got 7 correct answer. How many questions she attempted incorrectly? So we have to find incorrect attempts, that is equals to x. We will assume that let's assume Mohini attempts x incorrect. Now we will get correct score plus incorrect score, that is equals to total score. Mohini scores 7 correct answer, and for each correct answer she gets plus 3 marks, and she attempts x incorrect questions, and for each incorrect question she gets minus 2 marks, and total score is minus 5. Now solve for x, that is 7 3s are 21, plus sign in x minus sign in 2, that is minus 2x, that is equals to minus 5. We have 21 plus into minus is minus, equals to minus 5. 21 plus 5 equals to plus 2x. 21 plus 5 is 26 equals to 2x. We have x equals to 26 by 2 is 13. So hence Mohini answered 13 incorrect. Now last question, that is question number 7. Question number 7, it is given that elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. Descend 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground, starts from 10 meter above ground, how long will it take to reach minus 30 minute, minus 350 meter? So in the question it is given that, let's suppose this is ground and elevator is somewhere here, that is plus 10 meter, and elevator starts to descend and it has to reach minus 350 meter, and we have to find the time to reach from plus 10 to minus 350 meter. So let's start. Descent means we will take minus 6 meter per minute. Now let's suppose the time to reach minus 350 meter is x minute. We have to find the time, so we will suppose time as the variable x, and in 1 minute it is given that it descends 6 meter per minute, that is in 1 minute it descends 6 meter descends, so we will take minus sign, and in x minute it descend by how much, we will get x into minus 6 divided by 1, that is equals to minus 6 into x. So in x minute it descends by minus 6x meter. We can write in x minute elevator descends minus 6x meter. We have to find the x. So initially the elevator was at plus 10 meter above the ground. In x minute it descends 6x meter, that is minus 6x meter, and finally it is at minus 350 meter. This is 10 meter, this is 6x meter, and this is 315 meter. Check in both LHS and RHS that everything is in meter. So now let us solve for x, that is 10 plus into minus is minus, and right hand side it is minus 350. We will get 10 plus 350, that is equals to 6x. 350 plus 10 is 360 equals to 6x. We will get x equals to 60. We have assumed x as time, that is x minute, so we have got 60 minute, or we can say x is 60 minute equals to 1 hour. So we can write elevator takes 1 hour to reach from plus 10 meter to minus 350 meter. So by this is the end of chapter 1. From next lecture we will start chapter number 2. Thank you.